Hello students, today we are going to see of our subject mathematics 1A topic matrices. We did some problems in the previous classes related to product of the matrices, sum of the matrices and subtraction of the matrices, and also as well as we did the problems of transpose of matrix. Related to them, we did so many problems in the previous classes. Related to the transpose of matrix, we are going to do one more problem as like this. Our next question is, if capital A equal to 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3 and B equal to minus 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 0. Okay, then we have to find the values of A into B transpose and B into A transpose. Let us see first. First of all, what is given B matrix? Given B matrix is minus 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 0. With this matrix, we can find its transpose of B as like this. First column written as first row, interchange the rows and columns. Second column written as second row, understand, as like this, minus 1 to 0. Okay. Now let us find the product of matrices A into B transpose. We have to see how to find it. Now consider A into B transpose. A matrix 7 minus 2, okay, minus 1 2 5 3 into B transpose as like this, minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 0. What is the order of matrix A? 3 rows 2 columns, 3 by 2. Here how many rows are there? 2 rows 3 columns. Here in first matrix columns are equal to the rows of second matrix. That's why matrix multiplication is A into B transpose exists. We can do the product as like this. Let us see. The resulting matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. We can write as first row, first column, 7 into minus 2 plus, okay, plus minus 2 into minus 1. This is first element of resulting matrix. Next, first row, second column, 7 into 4 plus minus 2 into 2. Okay. First row, third column, 7 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 0. Okay. Next, second row, first column, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. Next, second row, third column. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0. Next, third row, first column. 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Third row, second column. 5 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Third row, third column. 5 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0. So, it can be taken as like this. Now, 7 into minus 2, minus 14. Next, minus into minus, plus 2. Next, 7 into 4, 28, minus 4. Next, 7 into minus 1, minus 7, minus 2 into 0, 0. Next, minus 1 into minus 2, 2 minus 2. Here, minus 4 plus 4. Here, 1, minus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0. Understand? Okay? Now, this can be taken as next 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 3. This is 20, 5 into 4, 20, plus 3 into 2, 6. Next, minus 5, plus 0. So, what will come here? This is will come as minus 12, minus 12, 28 minus 4, 24, minus 7, 0, 0, 1, minus 10, minus 3, minus 13, plus 26, minus 5. This is the value of A into B transpose. Let us go for B into A transpose. Understand how to find A into B transpose? In the same way, we are going to find the value of B into A transpose. Let us see how do we find it B into A transpose value. First of all, we have to take the matrix. I am rubbing this one. We have to take first to find B into A transpose. We have to find A transpose first as like this. What is given A matrix? Given A equals to 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. Understand? With the help of this matrix, we are going to find A transpose. How do we transpose it? First column written as first row. Interchange the rows and columns. First column written as first row. 7 minus 1, 5. Second column minus 2, 2, 3. Written as second row. Minus 2, 2, 3. This is second row. Now, we are going to find the value of B into A transpose. Let us see how do we find it. Now, first take matrix B, minus 2, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 0. This is matrix B into A transpose. Take it. What is it? 7, minus 1, 5. Next, minus 2, 2, 3. The order of first matrix is 3 rows, 2 columns. It has 2 rows, 3 columns. Here, number of columns of first matrix are equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So, the matrix, the product of the matrix B into A transpose is exists. So, we can multiplying the matrices B into A transpose. After getting the resulting matrix should have 3 rows and 3 columns. Understand? So, we can continue the problem as like this. Here multiply first row, first column. Nothing but here minus 2 into 7 plus minus 1 into minus 2. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2. Next, first row, third column, minus 2 into 5, okay, plus minus 1 into 3, okay. Now, it can be taken as like this. Second row, first column, 4 into 7 plus 2 into minus 2. Second row, second column, 4 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Second row, third column, 4 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Next, third row, first column, minus 1 into 7 plus, next 0 into minus 2. Next, third row, second column, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. Third row, third column, minus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 3. Next thing is simplify it. The simplification, minus 2 into 7, minus 14, minus into minus plus 2. Next, minus into minus plus 2 minus 2. Understand? Next, okay. Next will be as like this, minus 2 into 5, minus 10 plus minus 3. Next, 4 into 7, 28 minus 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20 plus 6, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, 0 into minus 2, 0. Next, minus into minus plus 1, plus 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, plus 0 into 3 will be 0. Understand? We can multiply as like this. The answer will come as minus 14 plus 2 minus 12. 2 minus 2, 0, minus 10, minus 3, minus 13. Next, 28 minus 4, 24, minus 4 plus 4, 0. Next, 20 plus 6, 26, minus 7, 1, minus 5. What is the order of this matrix? This order is 3 by 3. Understand? We can multiply the matrix in the different way as like this. If given whatever it may be, either transpose with the general matrix, matrix with another transposition. So, whatever it may be, if given, if we are going to multiplying the matrices, the condition will be as like this. If the columns of first matrix, suppose if we are going to multiplying B into A transpose, in B into A transpose, what is first matrix? We perform B first, next A transpose. In that, B is the first matrix, A transpose is the second matrix. In whatever it may be, if the product, in the product, whatever it may be the first matrix, in that if columns are equal to the rows of another matrix, matrix multiplication exists. When exists, we can continue the product. Understand? After getting the result, the remaining rows columns will be the order of the resulting matrix. We can take as like this the order of the resulting matrix. In this way we can find all the products of the matrices. We did so many problems in the previous classes, and the next class also we should do some more problems related to the transposition as like this. We did the remaining we should do the remaining problems in the next class.